back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be comparing the Got2B freeze spray, blasting freeze spray with the Dollar Tree brand hairspray. It's like a maximum hold, so like it should be the same thing, I don't know. But yeah, I want to like test this out to see if it holds, if it can be like a dupe for this, because this I paid $6.99. I bought this like a while ago, not a while ago, but like yeah, $6.99, and this will obviously $1. So yeah, so I have like this wig on. Don't mind like this. I'm trying to like cut the baby hairs and everything. So it's a bit wild, but I'm gonna be testing out like this one on this side. What's that? Is that my left side? And the Dollar Tree one on the right side. And I'll see how it holds up throughout the day, and I'll like do, what you call that, like clips throughout the day to see how it's holding up, and then I'll do like a comparison at the end of the day to show you what it looks like, if there's anything to show. I don't know. But yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna do like 2 layers. So I'm gonna just let this dry for a bit before I apply the next layer. Okay, this one is kind of on. And I'm gonna move on to this side. Like on properly. I'm gonna tie it up and like let it dry and see what happens. The Got2B side is already dry though. I'm gonna tie this on up. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this dry, let this dry for like 5-10 minutes, and then I'll see what I get. So okay, so it's been like 5 minutes, probably 7 minutes, but like more than 5, around 5, whatever. So I'm gonna remove this. To be honest with you, I don't really have like high expectations because the spray was a little too watery, and like I'm not gonna touch this as yet, but like on this side you can feel like the Got2B is tight. Like I don't know. Okay, let's see. Oh, I don't know if you can see. It's not. Okay, it is like holding, but I don't know. I don't think it's a strong hold. Okay. I need to like fix my baby hairs. They're like, oh, all over the place. Okay, so since it actually like, well, so far it worked, I'm gonna like style the hair a bit, and I'll be back. Right now it's 11:13 a.m. You can see that. So I'm gonna keep this on. I may go to the beach later on, I'm not too sure. So if I do, you'll see how it holds up, if it even holds up, but I'll be back. Okay, so I'm finished like letting everything set and like styling the edges a bit. Not really. So I'm gonna like do like check-ins in between probably every hour-ish, hour and a half, or 2 hours or something. Probably 2 hours or so. And yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, so it's been 2 hours and 30 minutes, no, 20 minutes since I applied the sprays. All I did, I took a nap and I did some errands, so I don't expect it. I didn't do anything big, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to the beach as yet. Probably not, and it's so hot I should, but I don't know. But I have some other things to do and then probably I would. But so far the glue is holding up. That's the Got2B side, and it's still like on there. And this side is the Dollar Tree brand side. It's still on there. So I think everything should hold up. I'm gonna like check in probably around 4, and I'll see what it looks like. We're like 4:30-ish. Yeah, probably 4:30. I'll check in back. Okay, so it's not 4:30 as yet. It's 4:17. But I wanted to like a little update. This is what the hair looks like. The Got2B still, the Got2B side still intact and everything. It's not moving. And the Dollar Tree side still intact also. It's not moving, that's moving. What did happen though, this part here like lifted a bit, so I don't know. But like as I said in the beginning of the video, I do like struggle to keep the like the air tabs down. Sounding like that's the problem, but this side did stay down, so I don't know. But yeah, so just this like the air tab, but like everything else is intact. So I'm gonna keep it on, and I'll probably be back at like 6. And yeah, so that's it. Okay, this is the last check-in, and it's 6:18. So yeah, so it's 6:18. So it's approximately 2 hours since the last check-in, and I'm gonna do the comparisons with the Got2B. As expected, it's still in place and everything. The Dollar Tree side is this side. Surprisingly, it is still in place. But this thing right here came out. Like you can see right here. But like everything else is still in place. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. So my final thoughts, I would say, I think like this side came out because I didn't do the air tabs properly. As I said, I have problems like doing the air tabs, but if I had done it properly, I think it would have been I mean like a close dupe. I still don't think it is a close dupe, but just this part right here. But everything is like here, and everything is like stuck properly. So I will say you can get the Dollar Tree brand and use it in place of the Got2B. So like you're like out of town or something, I don't want to like spend the money on the Got2B, you can just buy the hairspray from Dollar Tree. So yeah, so that's that. I think it came in close, and I want you to let me know in the comments down below what you think. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making the video. I'm gonna do like some more comparisons of Dollar Tree brands with like different brands of stuff and compare them. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.